Hi, this is Jane Hopprich, and I am here today to draw a design out for you and to stitch it out per request I had. So here I am with my magic slate. Okay, let me show you how I do this design that I had a request for. So it's kind of a long flowing swirl. Then you just bring it back around. And then I just kind of fill in like that. Sometimes I might go around like that again. And then maybe I'm going to come over this way. And if I get stuck, I'm just going to make a little like this, and then I'm going to go like bring it out again. This is a fun flowing background filler. Now I'll go ahead and I'll stitch it out. Okay, and there you have it. So don't be afraid to give that a try, and you'll come up with your own design that you kind of do, but it kind of looks nice in a sky with some flowing air or something like that. But don't be afraid to give it a try. And anyway, I will see you soon, and happy quilting. Bye.